Right. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we've assembled for our boardroom meeting to discuss the issues that our company is facing. So, as you can see right now, the last quarter results show a good amount of decrease in our profits, which is quite disturbing, and at the same time, an increase in cost, again disturbing. So, right now, we have all our departments ready here, who is going to discuss, who is going to project their problems forward, and in the presence of the CEO, we'll be figuring out how to find a solution to these problems.
Good afternoon, everyone. As you all know, company is in a great turmoil, and the profits are on an all-time low and has reduced by 30% pertaining to the last corresponding quarter. So the company and the general management has taken a drastic decision and decided to retrench some employees from each and every department. So Ashna, what do you have to say in this particular topic?
We totally respect the decision of the management. On one side, retrenchment is inevitable, but then we have to realize that is it the only solution of the organization's problem?
Like if we sack a lot of employees, then the trade unions will obviously revolt, which will lead to like a major setback to a public image. And there's another situation to it. Like if 12 employees are working for some particular task, if we retrench them to 5 employees, we'll have to train those again. So like it will lead to increase in expenditure.
The points of HR department cannot be overlooked. Let's see what the other departments have to say in this particular situation.
Marketing and sales department, the top line has remained consistent because there has been no increase in the packaging and transportation costs. So I don't think there is any problem pertaining to this decision in our department. And also from a long period of time we have not invested in the advertising.
Now coming to the advertising, I believe since we haven't invested in advertising, we should divert some money into advertising.
You are suggesting me to spend more funds on advertising even when we are in a situation of low profits. So I think we should consult operations department also what operations have to say in this particular issue.
So we have seen a 15% increase in the material and labor costs.
And also the technology that we're using is quite obsolete, and the frequency of repairing of machines is very high. So the recovery rate per unit is very low.
So we strongly suggest that we should bring in better and newer technology and machines so that our operations are efficient and effective.
You are suggesting me to spend more funds and invest in new machinery to get better returns on our recovery rate. So for that thing, I think we should consult a finance manager. What do you have to say in this particular issue? So do we have some particular funds to finance this particular project?
No, the company is facing as the rate of interest is increasing in the market, because of which the cost of borrowed funds is increasing and the profit is decreasing. So this is the problem of finances, and we are not having enough funds.
So what we can do in this particular situation, if we are getting funds on a very much expense from the market, can we not use our own funds of the company to finance this particular project?
We can't, because the cost of using our own reserves is higher than the increase in the rate of interest in the market. So this is not a feasible option.
As far as the concept of advertising is concerned over here, advertising will lead to feasibility and fetchability also. But at the same time, we should consider it that at such a hampering situation, we must focus on other departments confining by the protocol.
So, okay, so after listening to each and every department and the problems and solutions of each and every department, I have come to the conclusion